How to connect PS4 controller to Battlenet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect your PS4 controller to play games on Battlenet. Whether you're trying to enjoy Call of Duty, Diablo 4, or other titles, this guide will walk you through the easiest way to get your controller working. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your controller to your PC. First, the easiest way is using a USB cable. Simply plug your PS4 controller into your PC using a micro USB cable. Windows should automatically detect your controller and set up in a few seconds. If you prefer using Bluetooth, here's how. Hold down the PS button and the share button on the controller until the light starts flashing. Then, on your PC, go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, and click Add Device. Choose Bluetooth, and when you see wireless controller, click to pair. Once connected, you're good to go. Launch a Battlenet game with controller support. Now, open Battle.net and launch a game like Call of Duty or Diablo 4 or other title. These games have built-in controller support, so your PS4 controller should work right away. If the game doesn't recognize immediately, go to the game settings and check for controller or input options to enable or configure it. Optional: use Steam for extra compatibility. If a game is not detecting your controller, here's a trick. Open Steam, go to Settings, Controller, General Controller Settings, and enable PlayStation configuration support. Then, add the Battlenet game as a non-Steam game and launch it through the Steam. This can help force controller support in some tricky cases. And that's it. Now you know how to connect your PS4 controller to play Battlenet games on PC, both wired and wireless, with extra tips in case something doesn't work. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks.